If you've ever searched this question online, should I invest or pay off debt first? You already know the problem. Everyone has an answer, everyone sounds confident, and most of them contradict each other. Today, we're ending the confusion, because the real answer isn't a rule. Framework. Money Café was unusually quiet. Leo stared at his phone. Sam cleaned the counter slowly. Mia listened carefully.
Leo finally said it. I'm investing, but I still have debt. Am I doing this wrong?
This question is confusing because people mix math with emotions. They argue numbers, but ignore pressure. They argue returns, but ignore fear. Money decisions don't live in spreadsheets, they live in real life. Here's the truth. There is no single correct answer for everyone, but there is a correct order of thinking, and once you understand that order, the answer becomes clear. Before investing or aggressive debt payoff, ask this. Can I handle a surprise? If one emergency would force you into more debt or panic selling, stability comes first. Always. Mia shared her mistake. She invested without a buffer. When an emergency hit, she sold at the worst time. That wasn't a strategy problem, it was an order problem. Next question. How expensive is your debt? High-interest debt creates pressure. Pressure forces rushed decisions. If your debt is draining you faster than investments can realistically grow, paying off debt is the smarter move. Sam realized something important. He was investing small amounts while high-interest debt quietly worked against him. Same effort, wrong priority. This part gets ignored. Debt is emotional. If debt keeps you anxious, distracted, or discouraged, that cost matters. Paying off debt can free mental space, and mental space improves everything else. Investing makes sense when you have basic stability. High-interest debt is under control. You can leave the money alone. Investing rewards patience. If you can't be patient yet, wait. Leo didn't stop investing completely. He adjusted. Debt first, small investing second. That balance gave him confidence. For many people, the answer isn't either or. It's both, in the right order. Minimums on all debt extra toward high-pressure debt. Small, consistent investing. This keeps momentum without chaos. Mr. Carter said it simply, remove pressure before chasing growth. Growth works best in calm conditions. Common mistakes. Investing money you'll need soon. Ignoring high-interest debt. Copying someone else's situation. Context always comes first. Let's recap. Stability comes first. Pressure matters. Emotions matter. Growth comes last. The answer depends, and now you know how to decide. Next time at Money Café, we answer another stressful question. How much should I actually be saving every month? Without guilt, without unrealistic percentages. I'll see you in Season 2, Episode 4.